Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the immediate network environment. Physically inspect the modem and router LEDs. If WAN or internet is off, reboot the modem for 30 seconds, then the router. Once done, test a second device or an incognito browser to separate device cache problems from network outages. Next, open a terminal and ping 8 to confirm basic IP routing. If you see timeouts or packet loss, note them. This tells you whether the problem is local or upstream, and it guides the next diagnostic step. Once basic connectivity exists, focus on DNS and browser behavior. You should flush the DNS cache on your device. Windows uses ipconfig/flushtons. Mac OS uses sudo killall HUPM DNS responder because stale entries can produce page not available. Then change your network DNS to 8 or 1 to bypass ISB resolution. This often resolves name lookup failures quickly. Also try accessing the site by direct IP with curl or a browser to determine whether the issue is DNS related or an application. To finish, perform final corrective actions and prepare for escalation. Restart both modem and router together, and if uncertain, tether your phone to confirm if the site loads over cellular. This distinguishes ISB vs site failure. Inspect the host file, firewall, VPN, and proxy settings, and temporarily disable them to rule out blocking. If the page still fails, capture a traceroute and HTTP error codes. Then contact your ISB or the site administrator with those logs. This provides the necessary evidence for them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.